Namaste Vidya, Sada Khush Raho. A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Javin Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor and HOD in the Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the National Immunization Schedule in your practical session. First of all, you must know about the scheme of immunizations. What are the schemes of immunizations which are giving in generally? There are mainly two types. The first one is primary vaccinations, and the second one is booster vaccinations. In primary vaccinations, some vaccines are given in single dose. Only one dose are required, and these are BCG, variola, measles, mumps, rubella, yellow fever. And some vaccines are given in multiple doses, and these are the polio, DPT, hepatitis B, and vitamins A. And the second one is booster vaccinations, and these are given to maintain immunity level after it declines after some time has elapsed. And these are DT, that is diphtheria and tetanus, and the MMR. MMR is measles, mumps, and rubella. In primary vaccination, a single dose of MMR is given, but there is also a booster dose which is required after 1 year of age in children. Now, this slides showing how immunity is maintained for how long, and some vaccines are have very short period of maintained immunity, and this is cholera vaccines, 2 years. This is staph vaccines, 3 to 5 years of maintained immunity in DPT vaccines, and 5 or more years in BCG vaccines. 10 years yellow fever vaccines, and solid immunity means lifelong immunity develops in some vaccines, and this is measles, mumps, and rubella. MMR vaccines gives lifelong immunity in persons. Now, the level of effectiveness of vaccine. Some vaccines are absolutely protective. This is 100% protective, and the example is yellow fever vaccines, almost absolutely protective. It is 99%. And this is variola, this is chickenpox, measles, mumps, rubella vaccines, and diphtheria and tetanus toxoids. Highly protective. This is up to 80 to 95%. In this segments come polio, BCG, hepatitis B, and pertussis vaccines. And some vaccines have moderately protective. This is 40 to 60% of effectiveness, and these are TB, cholera vaccines, and influenza killed vaccines. Now, this is a table of national immunization schedule. Generally, in national immunization schedule, schedule starts since pregnancy. During pregnancy, 2 doses of tetanus toxoids are given. The first dose is given at the time of first visit of antenatal checkups, and the second dose is given just after 1 month of primary dose. And for infants, the schedule starts since birth, just after birth. And just after birth, the vaccines which is given is BCG, and it is given intradermally in left upper arm, and the dose is zero point 0.1 ml, and it is 0.05 ml until 1 month of age. Hepatitis B is also given at birth or as early as possible as within 24 hours. And the dose is 0.5 ml given intramuscularly on anterolateral side of mid-thigh. The third dose, which is given just after birth or at birth, is OPV 0, oral polio vaccines. And the dose is given orally 2 drops. After that, at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks. This is after in the gap of 1 month, OPV is given one first dose, second dose, and third dose respectively. And this route of administration is same. This is orally. After that, at the same time, this is 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks. Pentavalent vaccines is given, and the dose is zero point 0.5 ml given intramuscularly on anterolateral side of mid thigh. In pentavalent vaccines, mainly 5 vaccines comes together and given at a time, and these vaccines are DPT, this is diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and hemophilus, Haemophilus influenzae. The next dose is rotavirus, and it is given at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, and 14 weeks, and it is also given orally 5 drops. Then IPV, this is inactivated polio vaccines, and it is also for given to prevent polio, but this is given intradermally in 2 fractional doses at right upper arm, and the dose is zero point 0.1 ml, and it is given at 6 and 14 weeks of age. After that, measles or MR, this is measles and rubella first dose, and at the 9 completed months, it should not be given before 9 completed months, and just after 9 months to 12 months, it should be given in between these months, and can be given till 5 years of age, and 0 0.5 ml dose is 0 0.5 ml given subcutaneously on right upper arm. After that, JE, this is Japanese encephalitis, and it is also given after 9 completed months up to 12 months of age. And the route of administration is subcutaneously on left upper arm, and the dose is 0 0.5 ml. So mainly the two vaccines are given subcutaneously. This is MR and JE. After that, vitamin A doses, and it is given at 9 completed months with rubella, measles rubella, and it is given orally. 1 ml is the dose. Japanese encephalitis vaccine is introduced in selected endemic districts after the campaign, and the second to ninth dose of vitamin A can be administered to children at the age of 1 to 5 years old during biannual rounds in collaboration with ICDS, means in the interval of 6 months, in collaboration with Integrated Child Development Scheme. Now we will discuss vaccines and usually. The first vaccines is BCG, which is given at birth, and the preparation is lyophilized. Initiation at birth, scheduled single dose. Booster dose is not required, and the doses I have told already. It's 0.05 ml in newborn and 0.1 ml in infants or children's. Intradermally on left deltoid is uh, is the site of choice for administration, and the efficacy is 0 to 80%, and contraindications are immunodeficiency. In immunodeficiency children's, this should not be given, and the side effects is axillary adenitis. The second vaccine is DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. It is a killed pertussis plus toxoid, diphtheria, tetanus, and the preparation is liquid. It starts at the age of the 6 weeks. Given at 6, 10, and 14 weeks of age, Booster dose from 15 to 18 months up to 5 years of age, and 0.5 ml at the intramuscularly at thigh, and efficacy is almost 80 to 100%, and contraindications are progressive neurological diseases, uncontrolled cry, convulsions, severe convulsions, and for first dose. If there is a severe side effects or adverse effects following first dose, that next further doses should not be given. And the side effects are fever, local and duration pain. And the second vaccine is OPV, oral polio vaccines. Orally दिया जाता है ये, और डोजेज 6, 10 एंड 14 वीक्स बर्थ पे भी दिया जाता है, तो टोटल मिला के इसकी 4 डोजेज हो जाती है. बूस्टर डोजेज जो है इसकी 15 टू 18 मंथ्स पे और फिर 5 ईयर्स पे 2 बूस्टर डोजेज होती है. और इसकी जो इफेक्टिविटी एफिकेसी है वो 80 to 90% है. एंड द सेम कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस आर इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी पेशेंट्स और इन HIV पेशेंट इट शुड नॉट बी गिवन, एंड देयर इज नो साइड इफेक्ट्स. The next one is hepatitis B, liquid preparations at birth. Then doses are given at 6, 14 and 6, 10 and 14 weeks. No booster dose is required. Dosage is 10 microgram, 0.5 ml up to 1 ml at the age of 10 years. Uh, it is given intramuscularly on deltoid. Efficacy is 90%, no contraindications, and the side effects are only local pain and erythema. In measles, it is a lyophilized preparation, and it starts or it should be given at the age of 9 months. The first dose is 9 to 12 months, second dose after 3 months, that is first dose after 9 months. 16 months of is booster dose is required in measles. And it is given subcutaneously on deltoid. 95% efficacy. Immunodeficient anaphylaxis and protein allergic patients should not be given. The side effects are fever, rash after a week. This is MMR and mumps. Same preparations, lyophilized. Same 15 months पे स्टार्ट किया जाता है ये. Single dose, no booster dose is 0.5 ml same. Deltoid subcutaneously दिया जाता है. 95% efficacy, and contraindications are as same as in measles or immunodeficiency patient, and side effects are same as in measles. The next one is Haemophilus influenzae. Or typhoid. The preparation is liquid, 6 weeks पे दिया जाता है, और फिर उसके बाद में 6, 10, 14 वीक्स पे जो पेंटावेलेंट के साथ में दिया जाता है. बूस्टर डोजेज आफ्टर 1 ईयर. डोजेज 0.5 ml. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सबक्यूटेनियस और इंट्रामस्कुलर दोनों तरह से दिया जा सकता है. 90 to 100% एफिकेसी होती है. कोई कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन नहीं है, और सिंपल बहुत माइल्ड से साइड इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि लोकल erythema and fever. And the typhoid, it is given every 3 years. The first dose is given at the age of the 2 years. 2 doses, 4 weeks apart, 1 month apart, and subcutaneously 57 to 75% efficacy, and there is no side effects or contraindications. Typhoid, this is two types of typhoid. This is typhoid polysaccharides and typhoid orally. Orally इसका एक कैप्सूल आता है, मोर और ये दिया जाता है 6 साल से ज़्यादा बड़े बच्चों में. और ये वाला जो दिया जाता है पॉलीसैकेराइड्स, वो 2 साल से तक के बच्चों को दिया जाता है. सिंगल डोज होती है, और इसकी जो डोज होती है टाइफाइड की वो 3 डोजेज होती है ऑन अल्टरनेट डेज. बूस्टर डोज इज रिक्वायर्ड इन एवरी 3 आवर्स सेम, एंड डोज इज 25 to 50 microgram. और टाइफाइड ओरली जो दे देता है वो 1 कैप्सूल डेली, एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन, 3 डोजेज होती है इसकी। और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इंट्रामस्कुलरली एंड इट इज़ ओरली इन टाइफाइड oral, and there is no contraindications, and the side effects are fewer pain and induration in typhoid 6 polysaccharides, and it is abdominal pain, vomiting, loose stools in typhoid orally. Pneumococcal vaccines. It is a lyophilized preparation at the age of more than 2 years. सिंगल डोज एवरी 3 to 5 ईयर्स में रिपीट किया जाता है। 0.5 ml इसकी डोज होती है, और तो सबक्यूटेनियस या इंट्रामस्कुलरली थाई पे। एफिकेसी इज 90% अप टू, एंड कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर प्रेगनेंसी में नहीं दिया जाता, कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है इसका। हेपेटाइटिस ए इनएक्टिवेटेड वैक्सीन्स, द लिक्विड वैक्सीन्स at the age of 2 years or more than 2 years, 2 doses at the 0 dose and after 6 months. No booster dose is required, and 0.5 ml at the intramuscularly and the anterolateral thigh. Efficacy is 99% and no contraindications and no side effects. Varicella vaccine is given for chickenpox. It is a lyophilized preparation given at the age of after 1 years of age. Schedule is up to 1 to 12 years of age. It is single dose, and after that 13 years 2 doses 1 month apart. No booster dose is required. 0.5 ml subcutaneously on deltoid. 95% up to 100% efficacy. No contraindications, and side effects are varicella type rash after 1 week with fever. Meningococcal here and plus C, lyophilized for use only in epidemic areas during epidemics. More than 2 years single dose, 5 years फिर बूस्टर डोज दी जाती है इसकी, फिर इसके बाद 0.5 ml इसकी डोज होती है, और सबक्यूटेनियसली इंट्रामस्कुलर डेल्टॉइड एंट्रोलेटरल थाई भी दिया जाता है। 100% इसकी अप टू 100% एफिकेसी है, कोई कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशंस नहीं है, और साइड इफेक्ट्स आर लोकल erythema and mild fever. In the Japanese encephalitis, it is a killed monovalent vaccines, freeze-dried liquid vaccines, 2 doses, 1 to 2 weeks interval. Booster is after 3 to 4 years. One ml subcutaneous on deltoid or anterolateral thigh. 60 to 80% efficacy after 1 dose and 100% after booster doses. No contraindications, only local swelling, fever, malaise are side effects. Influenza vaccines. It's a liquid preparation and it can be given at any ages. Single dose every year with current strain, and dose is 0.5 ml. Subcutaneous or intramuscular, 80 to 90% are efficacy. Contraindication, egg protein allergy, and side effects are local reaction, fever. It is the same as I have told about the DPT. So this is all about the session of National Immunization Schedule in detail. Hope you all understand very well. Now this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If there is any query related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.